Hey, this is Mark Spinero, Laptop Magazine at CTI Wireless 2011, and today we're taking a look at Verizon's new Mobile Unified Communications client and docking station. I'm going to give you a quick walkthrough, and the idea is to give you PBX-like functionality on the go as well as in the office, or is it more like when you're docking in the office you can get all the functionality of a PBX right through your Android phone?
Correct. You can select Android phones. It's basically an IP desktop replacement with the docking station, and you down now to a single device, your Android phone. So that it acts as a dock device when in the office, and you can take it mobile and extend those top key business features through your mobile device while either at your desk or away from the office.
Okay.
So go through an undocking process if you want to go mobile. So this is going through an undocking, and it'll notify you when undocking is successful, and then through this micro USB port you can unplug and go mobile.
Okay.
When the dock state over here, that's our home screen, and it shows the features that are available on the phone while docked, so we can make some calls from one station to another. So this is to replicate it in a business environment. So we're in the office, and say we want to call up here at the office next.
8421.
We can dial 8421, pick up the phone. It's ringing.
That's neat.
So now we're taking advantage of what we call short code dialing or abbreviated dialing. I'm muting it for the fact that it's on speaker. So now it's now expanded to show the features that are enabled now that you're in this state. So you can transfer, conference, pull up your contacts, and we can conference in, say, a third party. Pull up, maybe we want to call someone outside the enterprise. Dial a number 908-772-6277. You can dial from the keypad or on screen. It's making a conference, the third party, and then you can just when it connects, you can complete the conference.
That's great.
Okay? And then
So now you have 3 people on the call.
3 people on the device. Yep.
That's great. And so how does the business identity work when you're making a call? You can decide whether or not you want to you sort of broadcast whether it's a business call or...
Correct. When you're
mobile. When you're mobile, you can choose. When you're docked in the docking station, you're doing everything through the business identity.
So here we're undocked. We had undocked from this station, and now we want to call back, or we want to call an outside party. This is a non-mobile UC caller. Pull up the dial screen. We can pull up recent calls. Place the call. Okay. It's dialing. Oh, I didn't have. This one is set so that all calls are made business. You can set it so that all calls are business, or you can be prompted. So now it's calling, and it's given the business identity of the PBX.
Got it.
Okay?
Okay.
But you can set it up so that the widgets are...
This is what the interface looks like?
Correct. Okay? So pull up a recent call. We can dial a work number, 8426. Let's go back to the home screen. Well, I'm not going to dial a work because that's obviously business. So we'll dial 978-807. So it's a non-mobile UC customer. We're dialing it, and it's making a business. It's making a business call. Okay. So when undock, you have the conference, the transfer, dial, everything available like you would at your desk.
Same features. Okay.
Correct.
That's great. And the cost is $7 per user per month?
It's an app that's on the device, $7 per month, yes, and the docking station is an accessory, and that's a one-time charge at $125.
Great.